Hello everybody, my name is Chapman and today I'm doing a baking video. Now it's been a while since I've done one, but I am joined by honestly one of the most delightful human beings I've ever met. This is Katie Pix, and she's actually an incredible kind of baker, chef, like just all-round food person. So I'm leaving the video to her and I'm going to do what I'm told basically. So take it away, Katie.
I mean, I'm hoping we're going to make a fantastic duo here, and I'll just navigate you to there, and it'll turn into something magical.
And what is it that's magic?
We are making cookie cups. So you know when you have your milk and your cookies.
Oh, so you fill up the cups? I've just realised that. So you fill up the cup with you fill up the cookie with milk.
Yeah, so you're having like a shot of milk and then you bite into your cookie.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Right?
Okay.
Although we have hit our first hurdle.
Right.
Because I got these. So these are like chocolate pot molds. They're really easy to get hold of. Just in fact, in most supermarkets you can get these as well.
Right.
Otherwise, good old online order. Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
My baking knowledge is.
Exactly.
Right.
Little aluminium.
Say again?
Ramekin. Aluminium ramekin. Okay. But I can't get those two unstuck.
Oh, here we go. Oh no, they're totally stuck together. Oh wow. Not even with my Hulk strength can I do it, and I'm super strong.
I would like to just stress that this is not Jim's weakness. It's
oh no, that was my nail. That was. Do you hear that noise?
Add a little touch of crunch to the.
Have you tried a knife? What is this? That's like an oyster shucker.
It's like a butter knife thing, isn't it? So we're going to make 11 cookie cups.
I'm not going to be beaten by this. I reckon if we put this in like the freezer or hot water or something.
Wait, which one expands? Which one shrinks? Cold shrinks, right?
Let's put it in hot water. Do you think? And let it expand.
Oh, heat it and then contract it.
Well, I don't know. Let's just play with it. It's a science experiment.
Okay, I'm going to get a bowl of hot water.
All right, so is that hot water?
Yeah, it's like hotter than the sun though.
Okay.
Hotter than the sun.
Great Alan Partridge reference there. I tweeted that the other day, no one got it. Lynn, it's hotter than the sun.
Hotter than the sun. Okay, so we're making chocolate cookie chocolate chip cups.
It's a catchy name for them.
Let's try that that'd be a good search title. So, really simple. I'm very lucky to have a gorgeous KitchenAid.
I have one of these. Well, I say I have, my wife has one of them. I'm not really allowed to touch it.
What colour?
It's either like that sort of duck egg blue or a baby pink. Can't remember.
Very different colours.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Fair enough. So we're going to start off by making the cookie dough, which is really, really simple. And actually, if you don't have these and you can't be bothered with all the faff of a cookie cup, you can just make cookies.
Right, fine.
Great. So we're going to start off by creaming together butter and sugar. So we've got 250 grams of nice, soft, room temperature butter.
All of that goes in there?
All of that. Oh, it's not healthy, Jim. I'm really sorry.
No, I don't mind.
Don't know if you're on a health kick at the moment.
No, I don't mind. Not unhealthy, but that is a lot. That's a whole stick of butter.
Should we chuck it over there?
Yeah, shall we? I wonder if... Whoa, they are hot. They're really warm. Or they've definitely conducted the heat. Let's put them to one side for a minute and see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work.
Are we down to 10 cups now?
No, well, listen, it's going to be fine. We can get that one out if we need to. I really want to separate. I won't be beaten.
To the cookies.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to add in 100 grams of granulated sugar.
All in? Stick it in?
All in. And 75 grams of dark brown sugar.
I'm a big fan of this kind of sugar. I like how it coagulates, that's the wrong word, but you know how it sort of lumps together?
Yeah, definitely the right word. But I love it because of the kind of treacle
You get like a sort of like caramelly, treacly...
Yeah, which is why we're using two different types, because we want the colour and the treacle, but not too much. We don't want it to overpower the cookies.
Understood.
So we're going to balance it out with two. We're also using granulated so that you get a nice crumbly cookie. You want a crunch in your cookie.
God, you know so much about food.
Read a lot of Wikipedia before this. So with that, we're also going to, in fact, let's set that off. So
I have to do this.
No.
This.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's it.
Try not to panic. It's fine.
Go.
How fast?
Okay, now you can ramp it.
All the way to the top?
Yeah, why
Crank
not?
this shit to 11.
Why not?
Only goes up to 10.
Beautiful. So you're looking to cream your butter. So your butter's actually going to go slightly paler, even though you've got the sugar in there. It will lighten a little bit. You won't get as much yellow. And we just want to whip it, which is why you also want room temperature butter. Magical. So we're looking nice and creamed, it's all whipped together, that is beautiful. And now we're going to add in an egg yolk, not the whole egg, just the yolk.
Okay.
You got this.
I don't know if I do have it.
You definitely do.
Look at this.
Look at that, that's exactly it.
I've separated many an egg in my time.
Just the yolk straight into there.
Plonk.
Perfection. Lovely. And then pop it down.
I'm going to give it a quick little, it's all stuck to the side, so I'm just going to get it all in.
You can
there.
come back, Jen.
How am I doing so far?
Marvellous.
Great. I think we're good here.
Amazing. So yeah, switch that off. We're now going to just butter up our... Right, what are we going to do?
Oh, it's still very hot.
Yeah, sorry, it comes out like blooming boiling out that tap. Do you want a tea towel?
Oh, it's certainly warm.
Tea towel, tea towel.
Okay.
I'm wondering if you then, maybe you then put it in the freezer.
Maybe we then freeze it suddenly to surprise it.
And then it will be like that quick change and it might
just-
contract.
One sec. Can I hit this on here?
Yeah.
I'm just wondering what will happen. No, I dented it quite severely.
Oh my God. Well, that's, yeah, a bit oval.
I've broken your ramekins.
We'll just make 10.
Yeah,
we
right.
don't need all
That's
of them.
fine.
Okay, so with these, we need to grease these. Ooh, let me get you some more butter. And then we'll grab some kitchen roll. Take your weapon. And then we're just going to, oh, sorry, you're gonna have to touch it.
I'm gonna oil these bad boys up. It's fine.
That's all right, isn't it?
It's fine. I've touched worse.
So just take a nice, generous swipe. Right, okay, so now we're gonna put our cookie dough into our mix.
Okay.
So for this, I'm gonna suggest that we get some flour. Yeah, so you wanna probably dust your hands a little bit.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna have a bit of fun by grabbing some and squishing it into our molds. Now,
is that right? Have I done that wrong?
yeah, no, that's great.
It's all right, that'll come off.
It's fine.
I've never dusted my hands.
I'm actually gonna also dust a little bit inside here.
You've already buttered them, why would
I
you?
know, because it's just gonna help again to make sure we really, oh sorry darling, that we really don't stick.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, you're just gonna grab some and you're gonna press it into the molds.
But you don't want to, you kind of want a cup shape still, obviously.
We
right?
want a cup shape, so you wanna keep the center hollow, but you just wanna push out to the side, make it about a centimetre thick as well.
That was my next question, okay.
And you're just gonna, yeah, kind of mould it round to the sides, basically.
So
this
we
makes
made 8. Cool, who needs 12 ramekins?
No, we haven't. We can't count, Jim.
No?
7.
So what do we have? Didn't we have 9 a minute ago?
8.
How many ramekins did well, they're in the...
Oh, there are only 10.
Oh, there was only 10 in the...
I thought there were 12. Yeah.
8's enough cookies for any one person.
That's all you need. Right. The next step, whilst we clean ourselves up, is that we're going to put these into the freezer and they're going to have a good 20 minutes in the freezer. Now this is going to help them keep their shape whilst they're baking.
Yeah, because I guess if you were to cook them at this point, they'd just sort of go...
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, they're just the butter's too warm. It would just, yeah, all capsize.
Fine.
No, that's not the word.
Meltdown, implode. Oh. That's not a word at all. Not only is it not the word, it's not a word.
Collapse.
Collapse. Well done.
What are the easiest words in the English language? Don't worry, right, okay, so yeah, have you got 8 clean hands?
That one's quite clean.
Okay, right, we can take them to the fridge.
I can do one more. Oh, I can't.
I believe. Yeah, you got it.
What's that finger doing now? Hello. Don't, I'm gonna mess this right up.
Into the freezer, and we'll see you in a little bit, because you just gotta leave them to...
Okay, oh God, this is gonna go tits up.
I'll get it with my foot. Oh no, can't.
Ta-da! 20 minutes later, these are frozen solid.
Yeah.
So now what?
So we're going to chuck them onto our baking tray.
Right.
And these are going to go into the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until you see them colour nicely. And yeah, they'll be cooked through by that point.
Okay, good.
You'd hope.
Fingers crossed.
Into the oven. Oh, what's in there? Some saw nothing.
There's something else in the oven. That's going on Katie's channel, so you have to wait and see. In fact, they're going up at the same time, right, these videos?
Yeah.
So, description box or something, and there'll be a link, and you can watch what we're cooking. And I have to say, what we're cooking on Katie's channel is like my favourite dessert ever.
I love it. I just
Secrets.
yeah, so good. And then just point out again. That was unintentional, but I'm aware of it. I just think you need to make people know
I don't think people would
you're
even
aware
notice
of
it if it wasn't for the fact that you were going, look everyone.
I think people would, and then they'd be like, does she realise?
We should I'm going to get you an apron made and give it to you.
I should, as in, you'll
Okay,
make it?
I'm going to get you, not personally, but I'm going to find a place that will make you a Katie Picks apron. Put your name on it. But it's going to be one of those like really untasteful ones where it's like a naked man on.
That's part of Jim Chapman's new merch line.
I'm going to get the things out of the freezer.
Yes, please do. Okay, so we've cooked them, we baked them. No, we made them, we froze them. We baked them, we froze them again. Now we're going to seal them. Hey!
They look good, right?
How they gonna come out of the molds? Nobody knows. So next up, I've just put 150 grams of dark chocolate onto a bain-marie. What is a bain-marie, Jim?
I'm aware of this. You put boiling water or hot water in the pan, and then you put a bowl, basically what this is, a bowl over it so the chocolate doesn't touch the water, because then the chocolate will split. No one's done that since like 2008, have they?
I can't do that.
You know, no, you really can't. That works.
I've never done that
can you do it more than
before.
once, right?
Although, what's hitting? Because my thumb just hit my
You
fingers
let your finger go floppy and then you...
That's my thumb. That's definitely my thumb.
Nope.
So, because these have been in the freezer, it also means that our chocolate is going to firm up a little bit when we pour it in.
Okay.
Great. So we're just going to pour it in. Pour it in, pour it out.
Okay, what, so do I fill up the hole or do I just pour some in?
You're going to fill your hole, Jim, with the chocolate.
Okay. Jump.
Just wipe your bottom.
Thank you.
So just like halfway. Nice. And then I'm going to grab it and I'm going to swill it round.
Okay.
I swilled too enthusiastically, I'll be honest. Oh God.
Am I going too quick? Should I slow
No,
down?
that's good. I might just get you to top up on this one. And what you're basically doing is creating a seal.
Okay, yeah, because I guess otherwise you put your milk in and you just get a soggy cookie.
Yeah, pretty much.
No one wants a soggy cookie, do they?
No one wants a soggy cookie.
Yep.
We've had some learnings during this recipe. That would be that you don't need your cookie to be too thick.
Yeah, we did learn that. In fact, we were supposed to make 10 of these. We made 8 because, no, we made 7.
That should have been a giveaway, really.
Yeah. However, wait, where did they go?
thought.
Because I separated the ramekins earlier with my Hulk strength.
You did. I think if it
I don't need to prove it. We all know. We all know I did it.
Don't, yeah. You don't need to
I
prove
didn't
it
prove
to
myself
anyone.
to anyone. I did it, all right?
Okay, and then we're going to chuck them back in the freezer. And then the fun begins of trying to remove them.
What do you reckon?
I think palette knife and
I'm not feeling any give at the moment.
positivity.
I mean, they're pretty.
I just feel like I need to put a disclaimer on this video.
Oops.
One thing that you can fully expect if you do happen to visit Katie Picks is that
A Laura laughs.
I'm not a trained chef.
Not
guys.
necessarily technically excellent, but a Laura laughs.
I'm not trained. We're all making this up. That'll be fine.
If not, we'll just spoon them out.
Are you excited for this bit?
I'm reserving judgment for now.
I'm quite apprehensive, I'll be honest.
I mean, I know they're going to be delicious, but I'm not sure how we're going to get them out.
I feel like a lot of reputation rides on this. Okay, you got them. I'm going to get palette knives.
Yeah. Coming in chilly. Right.
Yeah. Okay, ode to your favourite woman.
Mary Berry. She got her own range.
She's got home range.
Wow.
Home range.
Okay.
So,
Is there a rule here?
I think
Stick it in and...
try your darndest to get that loose.
They aren't coming out in a hurry.
Jim, it's gonna have a
Oh,
bottom.
wait, no, look, what's happening here?
Yeah, it's still got a bloody bottom.
This will be fine. You know when I said, oh, why are you flouring it? You've already larded it. Oh no, do you know what? Look.
That's coming out.
This is coming out. Do you know what I think we could really do with? We've got one, so that's good.
Okay, scrap the rest.
We've got a
doesn't
celebrity
matter.
guest. Let's get an extra pair of hands in here.
Get in here, boy.
Come on up, Jack Maynard.
Dick Maynard.
Let's grab another one.
Are you happy that they came out?
I can see you behind the camera going.
Hold on, I'm sweating.
Oh, no, now you're asking a lot, though.
You can do this.
I think, right.
Just get right round the edge.
Tease
Tell
it
us
to
how.
start with, right? Get it in there, give it a little tease, and then you can stick the whole thing in. That sounds insane, doesn't it? Should not be allowed to talk on camera.
Give it a little tease and then stick the whole thing in. Yes.
It's only today that I've realised how sexual baking sounds. If you're listening to this and not watching it, you must think
You've not seen the Bake Off compilations. It's incredible. Mary Berry's the filthiest of them all.
I bet she is.
You're a bit nervous then.
I thought I'm going to be the only one who can't do it, aren't I?
Jack's not cooked often, you say?
No, I'm not a man in the kitchen, but I'm going to be giving it a go.
Guys, we crushed this.
Yeah, all three of
my
us,
God.
we just sell it.
There it is, okay.
Should I get milk?
Yeah. At the moment as well, they can't see this, but some of the chocolate's not fully set, so you're going to end up with a bit of a chocolate
That's
milk.
going to be delicious.
Yeah.
No, I think it's set enough that it'll separate. When you bite into it, it's going to be glooping.
Please drink your milk before you bite it.
Right, choose your weapon, guys. Which one are you going to go for?
I'll go for that. You go for that?
No, that's a good one.
That is a good one.
That is
I
a
was
good
looking
one.
at that one.
Do you want that one?
No, I'll go this one.
I'm going to go for this one. Okay. Right, so let me top you up. Do I go all the way to the top?
I don't know.
This is the coolest thing I've ever done.
What?
And the level's not going down.
It's not seeping in.
No.
That's good. Oh, I've got a little bit of sort of semi-wet chocolate in there. That's going to be great.
Oh, you've got a good one, mate.
Right, everyone.
Do you
So
like milk?
do you drink the milk first?
Well, yeah, you're not going to bite it. And
Are
then
you just lactose intolerant?
I'm not.
Have you got a dairy issue?
No,
No,
I don't.
Okay.
Well, we're going to find out.
Cheers! What happened?
Wow. That's really difficult.
I actually nailed it, but I saw you freak out. What did you do? What happened?
It's not the easiest.
I did great. I killed it. What did you do?
It just comes out about 7 different directions.
You hardly had any. It's like a
Did
little.
you bite first?
It's like a little pipette full. Oh, I swallowed it. I heard that swallow.
Yeah, that was like...
Oh no, Craig!
What happened?
It's just such a thick rim.
Oh my. Maybe we should have gone a bit thinner.
It is a very thick rim though.
Drink your milk from your thick rim. Quick.
Oh no!
I'm gonna top up again because I feel like I've
Because
spent,
you had a thimble.
I spent too long. I still want to have like the milkiness.
Oh.
Right.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, you really...
Cheers. It's hard to eat it sensibly without getting up, right?
Good cookie, right? I'm just.
That actually is
Look at
good.
Thanks, man.
That was amazing.
Actually, like, this is one of the best cookies I've ever had.
I had my doubts.
Shut up!
I've got cookie in my
I'm
nose.
not lying either. It really surprised me.
Wow, that was an experience, and bloody delicious too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to Katie for making this. This is
Yeah,
amazing. On her
Yeah, but I
channel,
got here about just on time for this.
yeah, I know. On Katie's channel, we made a apple and blackberry crumble, which was absolutely incredible. So, link down there. Make sure you check her out. Subscribe. She's honestly the nicest person in the world. Oh, camera malfunction. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.